We know fasting is an amazing tool. But did you know that there are several ways that you can ruin your fasting benefits? By allowing the body to rest from constant digestion and high glucose and insulin levels, fasting can trigger various cellular repair processes and promote overall well-being. Key benefits include weight loss and fat loss. Fasting can help reduce body weight and visceral fat by reducing calorie intake and enhancing metabolic processes. Improved insulin sensitivity. Regular fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair and detoxification. Fasting initiates autophagy, where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Reduced inflammation. Fasting can lower inflammation levels, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. What is autophagy? Autophagy is a natural process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new, healthy ones. It's often referred to as the body's way of taking out the trash. This process is crucial for cellular health, longevity, and disease prevention. Autophagy is triggered during fasting, making it a key benefit of the practice. What is mitophagy? Mitophagy is a specific type of autophagy focused on the removal and recycling of damaged mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells. Healthy mitochondria are essential for energy production and overall cellular function. Fasting can enhance mitophagy, thus promoting cellular health and efficiency. What are the 6 ways to ruin your fasting benefits? Here they are. While fasting has numerous benefits, fasting for excessively long periods can be counterproductive. 1. Prolonged fasting can lead to nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a slowed metabolism. It's essential to find a balance and listen to your body. Overdoing fasting can result in nutrient deficiencies. Extended fasting can deprive your body of essential vitamins and minerals, leading to health issues. Muscle loss. Without adequate nutrition, prolonged fasting can cause your body to break down muscle tissue for energy. Metabolic slowdown. Extended fasting can lower your metabolic rate, making it harder to maintain weight loss and overall energy levels. 2. Also, having too little protein during your eating window can have a main downside. Protein is vital for muscle repair, enzyme function, and overall health. Consuming too little protein during your eating window can undermine the benefits of fasting by promoting muscle loss. Insufficient protein intake can lead to muscle atrophy, especially during prolonged fasts, taking you down the path of poor metabolic health. Impeding recovery. Protein is crucial for recovery and repair. Without it, your body cannot efficiently rebuild tissues and recover from workouts. Hormonal imbalance. Proteins are essential for hormone production. A lack of protein can disrupt hormonal balance and metabolic processes. 3. Cholesterol often gets a bad rap, but it's essential for various bodily functions. Having low cholesterol intake and blood levels can negatively impact your health by hormone production. Cholesterol is a building block for hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Low levels can lead to hormonal imbalances. Cell membrane integrity. Cholesterol is crucial for maintaining cell membrane structure and function. Brain health. Cholesterol is vital for brain health, and insufficient levels can impair cognitive function and mood. 4. Fasting should be flexible and adapted to your lifestyle and body's needs. Forcing a rigid fasting pattern can lead to stress and anxiety. Strict fasting schedules can cause undue stress and anxiety, counteracting the benefits of fasting. Social isolation. Rigid fasting may interfere with social interactions and events, leading to isolation and decreased quality of life. Disordered eating. An overly strict approach to fasting can promote unhealthy relationships with food and eating disorders. 5. Exercise is absolutely beneficial, but too much exercise while fasting can be detrimental. Excessive exercise during fasting can lead to increased cortisol levels. Overexercising can raise cortisol levels, leading to increased stress and potential muscle breakdown. Muscle loss. Without adequate nutrition, excessive exercise can result in muscle loss rather than muscle gain. Fatigue and burnout. Overdoing exercise while fasting can cause fatigue, burnout, and decreased performance. 6. Also, good quality sleep is critical for overall health, and poor sleep can negate the benefits of fasting by impairing metabolic health. Poor sleep can disrupt metabolic processes and insulin sensitivity. Increasing appetite. Lack of sleep can increase hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to fasting schedules. Reducing autophagy. Sleep is essential for autophagy. Poor sleep can hinder this crucial cellular repair process. By understanding these pitfalls, you can ensure that your fasting practice is effective and sustainable. Remember that fasting is all about compressing your eating window, not reducing the calories, so focus on consuming all your calories for the day and on achieving your daily protein, fat and vegetables intake. This way you can keep your fasting benefits and achieve your goals faster. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, fasting can provide numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced cellular repair, mitochondrial recycling, and reduced inflammation. However, achieving these benefits requires careful attention to several factors that can undermine your fasting efforts. First, understanding the appropriate duration for fasting is crucial. While fasting for extended periods can offer significant advantages, overdoing it can lead to nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a slowed metabolism. It is essential to find a balance that suits your body and lifestyle, allowing for sufficient nutrient intake during eating windows. Protein intake is another critical factor. Consuming adequate protein is vital for maintaining muscle mass, supporting recovery, and ensuring proper hormonal balance. Without enough protein, the body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy, leading to muscle loss and impaired recovery. Cholesterol, often misunderstood, plays a significant role in maintaining health during fasting. It is essential for hormone production, cell membrane integrity, and brain function. Ensuring that cholesterol levels are not too low is crucial for sustaining the benefits of fasting. Flexibility in fasting schedules is also important. Forcing a rigid pattern can lead to stress, anxiety, social isolation, and disordered eating habits. It is vital to adapt fasting practices to your individual needs and lifestyle, promoting a healthy relationship with food and overall well-being. Exercise is beneficial, but excessive exercise while fasting can be counterproductive. Over-exercising can increase cortisol levels, leading to stress and muscle breakdown. Balancing exercise with adequate nutrition is key to preventing fatigue, burnout, and muscle loss. Lastly, poor sleep can significantly impact the benefits of fasting. Quality sleep is essential for metabolic health, appetite regulation, and cellular repair processes like autophagy. Ensuring adequate sleep supports fasting benefits and overall health. So, fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health and fat loss, but it requires careful management to avoid pitfalls. By balancing fasting duration, maintaining adequate protein and cholesterol levels, allowing flexibility in fasting schedules, moderating exercise, and prioritizing quality sleep, you can maximize the benefits of fasting and support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.